Bar POS systems are specialized software that streamlines several business processes, including taking orders, keeping track of customers' tabs, accepting payments, keeping tabs on inventory levels, and generating sales reports. Today, we will look at all the best POS for every need and category. Let's begin. Number 1. Best Android POS for bars, Toast POS. The Toast POS system solves all your problems, like freshly toasted bread on a bright morning. Toast POS is a versatile point-of-sale system developed specifically for restaurants, bars, and the hospitality industry. This solution is intended to assist all operators in quickly adapting to shifting industry trends and customer expectations by providing them with options such as online ordering, delivery, takeout, mobile app ordering, contactless payments, and the ability to purchase electronic gift cards. Toast POS is a cloud-based system that is both safe and secure and offers many features required for bars, such as tabs with pre-authorization. It provides users with new feature upgrades while also enabling them to view restaurant data from any location and on any mobile device. Because of its robust reporting and analytics package, restaurant management can find chances for cost savings, highlight menu items that are particularly popular with customers, and do much more. There is also a quick order mode for bars, which can help you increase your revenue by an average of 10%. This point-of-sale system can help to streamline both the administration of inventory and the operations of the bar or restaurant. Any Toast terminal or mobile device equipped with the Toast app can be used to make essential menu adjustments, including the addition of new daily specials. Toast Go is a mobile tablet application that allows bartenders or waitstaff to use tableside ordering capabilities with complete payment processing in one convenient package. Toast consumers can not only keep track of their bar tabs, but also check up on drink recipes using this POS solution, which helps to improve the entire customer experience. Toast Kiosk is another alternative for those interested in self-service at your establishment. Additionally, the payroll and team management product offered by Toast is an efficient, time-saving solution that integrates the POS and payroll systems to ensure that time tracking, approvals, and HR duties are streamlined. Because there will be less of a need for additional software vendors due to this integration, owners may be able to save money. Automated standardized gratuities that encourage fair tipping are another feature of the Toast POS system that can help boost staff morale within the business. Number 2. Best iPad POS for bars and multi-units, TouchBistro. TouchBistro is a point-of-sale and management system that combines both functions into a single all-inclusive package. TouchBistro helps bars streamline and simplify their operations by providing essential front-of-house, back-of-house, and guest engagement solutions on one powerful platform. This enables them to spend less time manually connecting the dots and more time connecting with guests and growing their business. TouchBistro was developed specifically to meet the one-of-a-kind requirements of the hospitality industry. It is quick, dependable, and simple to operate, and it comes equipped with all of the features that users require to boost sales, provide an outstanding customer experience, and save time and money. Rest assured that with or without the internet, you can continue taking payments offline and keep your business running. Running a bar comes with its troubles, but your payment processing fees shouldn't be one of them. TouchBistro Payments offers transparent pricing, so nothing is hidden under the table. With bar tabs, they can order multiple rounds throughout the night and settle up later. Plus, with fuss-free bill splitting and table transfers, you can keep customers content until last call. You can accept various types of payments, so they'll be able to pay quickly and easily. Get even faster payments with barside options. Just tap and they're done. Make it easier for everyone to enjoy their time at your bar. TouchBistro is a global leader in revolutionizing how restaurants and bars conduct business. It has powered more than 29,000 businesses in over 100 countries by combining cutting-edge technology with an unrivaled dedication to the success and satisfaction of its customers. You can boost brand awareness and increase cash flow by ordering, designing, and selling physical and digital gift cards through TouchBistro. Number 3. Best free bar POS to get started, Square for Restaurants. Square for Restaurants is a cloud-based iPad POS solution that enables restaurants or bars of any size to more easily manage their menus, tables, orders, payments, and other administrative tasks through a centralized online site. With the platform, businesses can create individualized websites that can process online orders, coordinate delivery services, and manage curbside pickups. Square for Restaurants is designed to increase your team's speed from order entry to back-of-house operations. With conversational modifiers, you can breeze through orders and make real-time menu updates. Plus, you can quickly repeat an order with just a few taps. Enjoy faster service and more satisfied customers every time. The table management tool that is included in Square for Restaurants enables supervisors to use a drag-and-drop user interface to build floor plans, monitor occupancy, and organize seating arrangements for bars, dining rooms, and parties. In addition to order entry and management, features include discount management, real-time order tracking, data synchronization across several devices, remote device control, and more. Also, managers can use reports to acquire insights into the performance of the bar, employee shifts, and sales broken down by item, category, or payment. Integration with a wide variety of third-party applications, including Homebase, TapMango, Deputy, Bento Box, and T-Sheets, is supported by the Square for Restaurants product. It can be obtained for no cost as well through paid memberships every month, and help is offered by email, frequently asked questions, and other online resources. Number 4. Best Bar POS for Customization, Lightspeed. The name of this POS says it all. Lightspeed POS is designed with the hospitality sector in mind from the ground up. This product is ideal for cafes, restaurants, bars, and any other type of hospitality business you can think of. Lightspeed POS is a cloud-based point-of-sale system that is intuitive to operate, simple to manage, and exceptionally effective. The newest members of your team may become accustomed to Lightspeed's interface in a matter of minutes, while the most experienced of your operators can power through the system with detailed reporting, robust service capabilities, and fluid inventory management. Give your customers a unique experience while reducing the time you spend entering orders and processing payments. With just a few taps, you can browse through menus, open tabs, and accept payments. Create customized combos for popular menu items to quickly enter orders at the bar. Pre-authorize your customers' tabs to reduce the number of transactions and let them split bills by item or course for single-seat checkout. You are able to access detailed reports from any location, which helps you understand how your business is performing. These reports provide you with actionable insights on the performance of the menu and staff, as well as peak periods and a great deal more, so that you can identify opportunities to improve efficiencies and grow your business. Lightspeed also interacts with tools you use daily, allowing you to link several systems such as accounting, personal scheduling, and loyalty programs to a single platform. Support personnel who are on call around the clock are always available, in addition to industry professionals who can assist you in resolving the issues that are most pressing for your company. Contactless QR code ordering for dine-in, takeaway, or delivery can extend the capabilities of your point of sale beyond the counter. You can serve more customers, reduce the number of employees needed to accept orders, and save money on labor costs, all while increasing the average order value through the use of easy online upsells. In addition, you will be able to organize your service and view orders from all channels, such as Uber Eats and Deliveroo on the POS, allowing you to conserve space on your counter because you will not require additional delivery tablets or devices. Lightspeed provides unrivaled support and advice, and their team is full of people who live and breathe hospitality and can relate to the challenges you face on a daily basis. Get free help around the clock. Communicate with a real person in a matter of minutes using live chat, email, or the phone, and collaborate with a dedicated account manager. You can also get assistance, suggestions, and access to experts when you need it. Number 5. Best Bar POS with no upfront cost, SkyTab. SkyTab POS is intended for use in restaurants, hospitality settings, and the food and beverage industry. SkyTab is designed to satisfy the specific demands of these businesses, and it is fast, dependable, secure, and easy to use. SkyTab assists bars like yours in streamlining operations and growing your business by combining important front-of-house, back-of-house, and customer management technologies into a single unified platform. This is the bar and restaurant POS recommended by John Taffer of Bar Rescue fame. Keep your core operations running smoothly with the right POS features. Use bar tabs to make sure you get paid for every drink. Age verification will confirm that customers are of legal drinking age, and tip tracking will help your staff collect every dollar they deserve. You can also manage menus easily with menu management and adjust prices for happy hour or recurring promos. Make sure you're in control and create a great nightlife experience. With SkyTab Mobile and SkyTab Glass, you can empower your front-of-house workers to turn tables faster, enhance order accuracy, and provide 5-star client experiences. These systems enable personnel to take orders and process payments at the table, curbside, and on the delivery route. You may also split checks on the spot, collect contact information to expand your client database, and use guest questionnaires to get real-time feedback. Lighthouse, your back-office command center, allows bar owners and managers to maintain track of their whole operation. With top-tier reporting and analytics, you can evaluate sales, labor, and inventory from top to bottom. Customize the dashboard view with widgets and reports that are relevant to you, and even keep the back office in your back pocket with the InCharge mobile app for Android and iOS devices. Even when your internet goes down, it's always business with SkyTab. Online ordering, QR code technology for contactless ordering and payments, reservation and waitlist management, customer loyalty programs, and third-party connections to a range of company management software are among the other features. Businesses of all sizes rely on SkyTab, from modest businesses with a single location to multi-location operations, large restaurant chains, and entertainment facilities. Best of all, they've got your back 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with best-in-class installation, system configuration, on-site servicing, and round-the-clock support made possible by trained employees and qualified professionals. You can grow your business today by getting one of these revolutionary POS systems for your bar. Check out the links below for more details and to get free quotes. If this video was helpful, kindly like the video with a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel to enjoy more exciting content in the future. Thanks for watching.